You hear that? The beautiful sound of silence. A time of night where even nature's sleeping and not making a sound. 4 a.m., way beyond the ghostly hour that is 3 a.m. Not the witching hour. 3 a.m. is the ghostly hour. Everybody gets that straight. And it's now 4 a.m.-ish. 4 a.m.-ish. So, not many go out at 4 a.m. Except Shades here. And brought a little light out here tonight, besides the one over there that has me asking the question if something is standing there, because that automatic light just won't go off. And it usually goes on when something is walking by or standing in front of it. And as I speak, it is on, which means we might have some otherworld company with us. I hope you enjoyed that segment today, or officially yesterday, during the daytime. Do you when it comes to live streams, someone said they prefer nighttime live streams, and that's what I did. And that's when I spoke for an hour, which was part 2. This is, I guess, another edition of Noises of the Night. Let me know if you hear anything tonight. Besides my voice. Today I'm doing something a little different. I want to try to stay up until the sun comes up. Join me till morning. Maybe we can have a real moment together. Y'all being my internet neighbors. And another light across the way just went on by itself. I'm telling you this because most of the time you can't hear light. Y'all like this light on, or do you want it off? I mean, because I don't know what you want, because this ain't live. Whoa. A mist. Interesting reaction. Freezing out here. Shout out to my friend Omar over in nice warm Florida. Very good man Omar is. Works really hard. I wanted to tell you something about something very important you should never do. Never make up a ghost. Big consequences for faking a ghost. Not only is it disrespectful, but it's just wrong. When you fake a ghost, when you make a negative spirit, I'm not talking about negative energy. I'm saying when you make up a ghost, you have to, especially in a seance, you have to deal with them, and they will follow you and God knows what else do to you. Never make up a ghost. It's important that you know this. You don't know the power of the afterlife. If you're doing a seance even online, trying to keep a distance, you still will be visited with the, because of you in the circle with that candle. Never make up a spirit, because supposedly, from what I've seen, it will get the person that made them up last and the friends first. So just imagine if you're minding your own business and then stuff's flying everywhere and then you're face to face with it. You turn around again and it's in your face, looking at you. It can get serious if you make up a ghost. Never do it. And quit with the Ouija boards. Thank you, God, for agreeing. Any emotions go through you at night? Any vibes? Do you feel better at night more than the day? It's so peaceful right now. It's so peaceful. Don't forget to grab your popcorn and your favorite beverage, or whatever your snack is in your favorite beverage, and your headphones, and listen to this video with me tonight. It's not gonna get me. Sorry about that. I had to walk away for a bit, but everything's fine. Everything's fine. The risks for this channel are worth it. Oh. You guys ever attempt to stay up till sunrise, in a video? It's much more realistic than a time lapse. One day I'm gonna get a nice fire out here. Would you guys like to see a nice fire again? Nice if I had a tent out here too. It's cold. Nice sleeping bag. Anybody else hearing that fence shaking for some reason? It sounds like a fence shaking. A metal one. Whoa. Hello? I know about them Bigfoots. One guy that was a very good person, God bless his soul, he passed away. A YouTuber, it's like one of them Bigfoots threw a rock at him. And he was out there every night and every day trying to get the proof. And people kept trying to steal his videos. And just, now he's gone. And I miss him. He had great Bigfoot videos. One staring right at him in silence, like behind the shrubs in the bush. What is that? You hear it? Nothing spookier in the night than the sound of rattling chains. What a classic spooky sound. Please tell me you hear that. automatic light in front of me just got brighter. Oh boy. Who's here? Shame I don't got a voice box to do a voice box session. Kinda on the fence about quitting that, you know. Hello? I've never had such a cold spring in my life. What is that? If you guys ever feel like you're in fear, just remember to learn from that and say a prayer next time before you ghost hunt. Ask for protection and wear beads and whatever you gotta do. Um, Something happened to mine that I can't explain, so I can't wear mine. And I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna be out here 8 more minutes. Never ghost hunt alone. Me, I have no choice but to go alone. And I don't really think about myself because I was wondering, and it's the best thing for me to do at least is to go alone because I don't want nothing to happen to anybody else. This is my field of work and I'm choosing to go, okay? I had something to say, and it was on the tip of my tongue, and I forgot what it was. Oh, I remember now. Because I'm hearing it. Here's a little survival tip. If you're ever out in the middle of nowhere and you can't leave because it's too dark, just know this. If it's dark and it's silent, and then it's dark and it's like hours later and you start to hear birds, that means you made it to morning. Congratulations. And if the weather's beautiful, be warmed by God's sun when it rises. Well, it's been fun tonight. I hope you enjoyed another edition of Noises of the Night. You look up at the sky and you wonder, a blanket of stars or a field of guardians? What do you like most so far? My daytime stream? My daytime video? My nighttime video? Or the forest video, daytime or night? Which has been your favorite so far? I haven't been in the woods since Halloween night, yes, and I was the only one doing it. Remember where you heard that first. I think something is draining my light pretty good. When I first came to this place, I guess I had to win this place's heart over because it's been a while since I felt like I'm pushed down the stairs. I guess it trusts me now. One more minute. Hello? Good night, folks. You're loved very much, and remember, you're always welcome in this neighborhood. People can like you exactly the way you are. I do. There's nobody like you, and people can like you exactly the way you are.